Hi guys, today I'll show you how to make your renders look not like this, but like that instead. So you finish setting up your materials and everything looks fine, but when you hit render, boom, it looks nothing like the one in the viewport. So what you want to do now is to go to the render properties. Don't mind this. Enable ambient occlusion and change the distance to 10 meters. Then enable the bloom and SSR. Next, change the cube and cascade size to 4096 and enable the hide bit depth. Now, change the look to medium high contrast and the sequencer to aces. And now, it will look something like that, but it's still not exactly what we're aiming for. For the final look, we'll need to use an environment texture. You can use the built-in HDRIs for this. For example, this one. Now your final render should look something like that. And that's all in this tutorial. I hope you learned something new and that maybe this tutorial helped you improve your eevee renders. Bye!